participants for this last session of our faculty development program, that is the valedictory session. I know uh, there are many participants I have seen, they are regularly attending all the sessions, even they have attended all the hands-on session, regularly participating, uh, actively participated in asking some of the questions and their queries. Before moving to our valedictory function, I request participants, those who would like to say uh, their feedbacks about this faculty development program, our organization. We know there may be possibility that we are not given 100% through this faculty development program, but we tried our best to uh, uh, give us something about the IoT for agriculture application. We invited the best people from some of the research organization, industry persons, so that they have real-time IoT implementation and the infrastructure. So if you have any feedback for our faculty development program, you can raise your hand so that we will unmute you. I request some of the participants to have your own feedback that will help us to improve our organization in future programs. Yeah, Mr. Santosh Dekle sir is there. Sir, I am unmuting you. Please. Yes, sir. Please.
So first of all, I will say congratulations to the organizing team, also the especially Wankede sir. The entire FDP is coordinated very nicely. Also, I would like to say thanks or congratulate to HOD sir of ENTC department, principal sir and management of Segav Engineering College. All the sessions are uh, planned and executed nicely. Every session, every day, every session is session was very informative, and that will definitely help all the faculty members as far as research is concerned, and for guidance to the BE project, guidance to the students for the BE projects, as well as uh, uh, master's project. So once again, I thank to entire organizing committee and management of Segav College, principal of Segav College, and especially Wankhede sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving us the good feedback. Now I request Professor Nitin Maude, sir. Sir, please unmute.
Good evening, all organizing team as well as all the participants. So one thing I want to tell you, the FDP was nicely executed as well as nicely planned, and I am very much thankful to my HOD. I can say, because I am an alumni of this college. I am passed out from this Shegaon College in the year 2001. So I am the part of this, you can say, organization, and after you can say 20 years, means I feel again the same kind of culture. Means what culture were there? Means when I was there as a student, the same kind of you can say, means I have experienced the culture of Shegaon Engineering College is not changed yet. When I was there, so same kind of culture means I have faced during these 5 days, because whatever the you can say uh, what we can say like whatever the strictness, or we can say the discipline is there. The same kind of discipline I have seen in this FDP also. Yeah, I thought initially maybe I can get some excuses for some of the sessions, but again means due to Wankade sir and due to Gawande sir, so the sessions were means sharply started at on time as well as ended on time also, and especially the hands-on session also. So I'm really means thankful to Gawande sir, as well as most of my colleagues from AISMS College of Engineering Pune. Means I have insisted them to join this session, so join this Atal FDP, and they have just whatever the request I have made, means they have accepted and they have joined. So Dekre sir and Gavi sir, then Navle madam, then I think Takalkar madam. So at the most means 90% staff of my department has joined these sessions, as well as some of the references I have given outside also, outside state. So they have also joined this. So thank you very much all, and especially Gawande sir and Wankade sir. And I hope that such type of FDP will be there in future, coming future. And all the best, as well as congratulations for a successful implementation. Thank you very much. As an alumni, I also thank all the participants for patiently listening, as well as attending the session nicely, as well as on time. Thank you very much all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving such a nice feedback about the institute as well as to the part about our faculty development program. I know we are continuously working towards giving a best to our participants. Now I request participants, any participant would like to give a feedback. Now I have allowed all the participants to unmute themselves. So any one of you would like to give a feedback, they can unmute their mic and they can.
Hello, hello. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, Pankaj Vibhuti, sir.
This is
Pankaj Vibhuti.
yeah. Dr. Visprit. This is. I am also the student of SHGMC College of Engineering, Shegaon. I am passed out in '99. So I know the environment of SHGMC. Khanchandani sir is there, and MD Singh sir on that time HOD is there. So yeah, sir. And Gopal Gawande sir I know personally. But the efforts taken by you, sir, that is the organization of this FDP and the session and the content of this workshop is very great. I am very thankful to you, sir, because I know the environment of SHGMC. So this is you people are the really maintain the environment from initial to this stage. So I am really very happy and I feel very great. I am the student of that college that having that much environment and the spirituation and everything. So I know the persons, I know entire things of SHGMC and the environment of SHGMC. I really feel proud that I am the part of SHGMC. So thank you, sir. You organize this workshop, and we as a part of this workshop, and in future also we are ready to part of this institute. So really, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We, as a faculty and as a member of this SSMC, actually we are following the culture of this Sri Santa Gajanan Maharaj Samsada, our parent institute. So that's why we have that culture. Now I request Dr. Gayatri Pade, who I think raised her hand. Ma'am, please.
Yeah. Good evening, one and all. I must congratulate organizer for organizing FDP on such a latest topic. I personally work on this area, and this area is very near to my heart. And a lot of takeaways were there from the FDP throughout the sessions. I really like the sessions from CDAC Hyderabad. CDAC Hyderabad has really worked a lot in this area, and the real-time inputs we got through the sessions from CDAC Hyderabad. I like the organizer to share the contacts so that we can interact with the resource person with our personal queries. Due to time limitation, which we are not able to do that. Talking about the college, Shegaon Engineering College is really having a research culture. The senior faculties like Dr. Gawande, Dr. Khanchandani, everyone knows about them. But the junior most faculties like Dr. Wankede, Dr. Vivek Ratnaparki, they're giving their best following the culture of the college. So I must appreciate to them also, they are also following the footprints of the Shegaon Engineering College. So again, I congratulate entire team, FDP team organizing this, because behind the screen there are a lot of pains to execute, so that I can understand. And thank you for sharing such a nice contents with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for giving us a nice feedback and about our institute. We know there are maybe some suggestions for our faculty development program, and obviously there may be some flaws in our organization. So I also request some of the participants, if you are not happy with some of the contents or some organization, they can also tell us so that in future we can improve our programs so that we can give our best to the students and the faculty members of the region of local as well as the Maharashtra or the Indian participants. Is there anyone who would like to give a feedback?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Shalini Kumari ma'am, ma'am, please.
Yeah. Shalini Kumari. Good evening, all of us. Thank you for organizing such an excellent FDP, sir. I'm ex-student of SSGMC. I'm 99 pass out, and I'm very happy to see Kanchandani, sir, after a long time, sir. I'm very happy, sir.
Okay.
That's a great session, sir. All handout session, very useful session, sir.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thanks. Thank you, ma'am, for giving a feedback about the session. I will convey your feedback to Kanchandani sir also.
Yes, sir, please.
Yes.
Hello.
Sri Rajaram Dattu Patil sir. Sir, please.
Sir, I am actually from Sangli district, PVPIG Budgaon.
Yes, sir.
I want to give one nice feedback regarding this FDP, 5 days FDP. I am very much interested. I am very much interested in this IoT, and actually I am having the 30 years experience. Still, I am enjoying this IoT workshop last 5 days, and I am very much thankful for all the organizers, especially Wankhede sir, for giving us an opportunity to join this such a nice workshop, and also thankful to the AICT giving this type of Atal. This is a very nice scheme for basically it is for the new learners. But I am having the 30 years experience. Still, I am learning something, and I got nice experience from this workshop. And I am once again thankful for all the organizers. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. That shows that you have taken some very good efforts to listen to our IIT workshop. Yes, actually, for the learning, age does not matter, and so at any age you can learn anything. So we know in your field you are the expert, and still you are joining our FDP. That is what things that we are giving a base to the participants. Thank you, sir, for giving a nice feedback.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, please continue, sir.
Yes, sir. This is Dr. Vibhute from Swedish College of Engineering, Pandharpur. The topic you have chosen for this FDP is really a hot topic and upcoming topic, and the resource persons you have organized, I must say, I must congratulate you, because they were, in a true sense, they were really what you call it as a resource persons, and they, whatever they have shared their experiences and the other activities, and the hands-on session is also very nice. So I congratulate you and your team for this successful workshop. So hope in future also you will organize such kind of workshops. So I once again congratulate you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. We know there are many participants who would like to give feedback, because from last 5 days they are listening to us. Now, obviously, we should listen to their feedback. If there are any participants who would like to give their feedback, we are also open, sir. Anyone would like to give feedback, they can unmute themselves and they can say a few words about our faculty development program. Okay, so I think we do not have any feedback from the participant. We'll share one feedback link to you. We request you give us some nice feedback as well as some of the suggestions so that in future we'll improve our delivery. So before ending this program, let me thanks the all who supported this faculty development program, the organizers and our management team. So for this program, actually, I would like to thank our AICT, that is the Atal Academy, who accepted our proposal for organizing this faculty development program on Internet of Things for agriculture application. Also, I really thanks all our experts, Mr. Santosh Sam Koji sir, Dr. Sadistha sir, then Mr. Abhijit Joshi sir from Jain Irrigation, Dr. Sadistha sir from Siri Pilani, Santosh Sam Koji sir from CDAC Hyderabad, then Dr. B. Satyanarayana from KIFR Mumbai, then Dr. Satyam Srivastava from Siri Pilani, then Mr. Madhuban Patel from Texan INC, who is the former scientist of ISRO, then Dr. K.B. Kanchandani sir, who is the professor of our institute, and Mrs. Sneha Gashkemia, who organized the nice stress management for stress management using yoga. So, and another my colleague, Professor Vivek Ratnaparki, who also conducted one session for communication technologies for IoT. So I really actually thanks this expert. Why this is so? Because when I submitted my proposal, at that time just I informal mail I sent them that please accept our invitation to join this FDP. So at that time actually we are not aware about the corona and about all such things. So they actually accepted that they will reach to our Shegao college and they will deliver these sessions. Now, even after this, actually, I got the acceptance after almost 5 months from the AICT. And when we contacted all these experts, and they happily and readily accepted our invitation again. And so I did not get such a work to find any expert. So they, therefore, I'm really thanks to all my experts. Then our management who allowed us to conduct this workshop. The management of Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering always supportive and allow us to conduct such type of faculty development programs, conferences, research project. We even having an experience of 12 years, we receive almost more than 10 lakhs of grants from our management itself, not from the other resources. So our management is supporting too much for our research activities and the such type of faculty development programs and short-term training programs for the students. I then especially thanks our beloved principal sir, Dr. S.B. Somani, who always supportive and caring in nature and always help us to do any such type of activities. Even any problem that we face at the time of conduction or the submission of even the expenditure details to AICT or any even proposals, he help us, he sits with us, he correct all our corrections, he suggests so many things. So I would like to thank our principal sir for always supporting us. Then I would like to thank our head of the department, Dr. G.S. Gawande. Actually, as a organizer, he was one of the organizers for this faculty development program. He was a convener for this program. The way we have taken the pain, actually at the back end, he has taken tremendous pain for this organizing of this FDP. Though he is not present here, but continuously he attended each and every session, has suggested so many things every after session, so that we can improve for each and every day. Even for hands-on session, he supported which type of platform we have to choose, what are the hardware we have to select for our sessions. So he suggested so many things to us, and due to his support, we have presented the actual delivery to you. And finally, I would like to thank our coordinator, Professor Vikas Bhangadia. With actually, he's so means supporting me that from first day of my proposal submission, uh, checking of every proposal line, then the contents of the proposal, and then contacting the experts, then uh, contacting the participants, they're solving their queries. He's actually supported a lot for this faculty development program. Then, last but not least, I would like to thanks all the participants who attended this program very patiently. Even I got many suggestions, queries, and I tried to solve their queries. Also, whatever the suggestions in first day or second day I got from the participant, that helped me to manage the faculty development program in very well. Also, I thanks all the participants who have given the nice and the suggestions for this our faculty development program. Uh, Before ending this session, our beloved principal sir is here in this validity program. I request Dr. Sunil Somani sir to be address this participant. Have Somani sir, please. It might be his mic is his voice is not coming up. Okay. So, with the permission of the chairs and dignitaries, I would like to say that the validity session is over. Whatever the issue is there with regarding your link is not opening and other things, that will care. If there is any issue, we will extend the time. Regarding your feedback and certificates, remember that tomorrow we'll submit the attendance and your test marks. Then you have to submit the feedback once we submit the attendance and your test mark. So might be on Sunday you have to submit your feedbacks. So from Monday or Tuesday we'll get your certificates in your login. So please be patient regarding the. Please have some patience on regarding your certificate, because there may be possibility that you may submit your feedback and you will ask the certificate. If there is any issue regarding your certificate after the Tuesday, we'll solve your all those queries. We'll contact to the Atal Academy if there are any issues on behalf of you. I request Somani sir, please address the.
Sir, good evening. Good evening,
Yeah,
Praveen.
Good evening,
So,
sir.
good evening
Please
to all,
address the audience.
all the participants of this particular FDP. Let me congratulate to all the participants for attending this resourceful day FDP on this IoT and its application for the agriculture. Really, whatever the sessions conducted during 5 days, all were very resourceful. And let me thanks to the AICT, let me thanks to the all my team, those who were working very hard for this FDP. Let me congratulate to my coordinator, head of the department, for conducting this or whatever the things they identified for this particular FDP. On behalf of management, let me congratulate to all the participants once again, and I request to all you utilize whatever you got in 5 days for the benefit of the stakeholders, particularly student, industry. Best luck to you. Thank you. Over to Praveen.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Now, with your permission, I declare that the validity session is over, and also the faculty development program is over. Thank you all the participants. Thank you. Now I'm ending this meeting. There is an issue with your test link, so we are going to solve in next 2 to 3 minutes. Please, whatever that your time is wasted, that will extend. So thank you.